morning everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about communication system. Well, what is communication? Communication communication is nothing but exchange of data or information in between two peoples, or can be between artificial intelligence or human, or vice versa. We know we can easily interact or communicate with any person, anybody we want to share information. We do this by using our sound. As we communicate, we talk to some person, and now we can talk to a person with some limitation. We cannot talk over 10 kilometer, our sound won't reach that far. So but we know we can communicate overseas and continents by using our mobile phones and the technology available today. Now, how does this technology works? Let's see. And what we want from our communication system? Well, there are only two to three important aspects that we have from communication system, that are: the communication must be efficient and user friendly, so that it can fulfill all the requirements of the user, and it must be reliable. And the major expectation that we have from this communication system is security. We all want that our communication is secure and a real time communication, because if we communicate, like, if we get a reply after 10 to 12 minutes, it will not be that efficient. So these are the major aspects that we have from communication system. So what are elements of communication system? First, let us give an definition to communication. Well, communication is nothing but to establish a connection between the source and destination, so that we can transfer information efficiently. Now, how does this communication work? Well, let's take an example of two people talking to each other. Well, they will use sound to talk to each other. What if we increase the distance between them? What now? They cannot communicate directly, as sound wave don't travel a large distance. So we need to convert this signal into a form that can easily transmit over large areas. So for that, we have a diagram for communication system that we use. So in the beginning, we have an information source, then it comes to transmitter, then through the channel it reaches the receiver, and then the destination. So how does this communication system work? In the beginning, the input source is where the message or the information to be communicated is originated. It can be our voice message, or the audio clip, the video clip that we are recording, etc. That all comes under the input source. Now, next to input source, there is a transducer, input transducer. As we are talking about sound signal, we cannot transmit sound signal over a large distance. So what are we gonna do is, we're gonna change the nature of this sound signal into electrical signal, so that it can easily transmit through wires, cables, optical fibers, etc. So now, next to this uh, next to this transducer, there is a transmitter. The role of transmitter is just to convert the electrical signal that we get from the transducer, to modify it into a suitable wave or a suitable signal, so that it can transmit through the channel. Okay, so next thing, what is channel? Channel is nothing but the medium through which the wave or the signal that is generated after using transmitter after using transmitter, the signal that is generated can be sent through this channel. It is a mode or medium through which we can transmit our signals. So the examples of these channels can be like copper wire, cables, fiber optics, and free space, etc. So next thing is the receiver. The receiver is next to the channel, through which the signal passes. Now the signal has to be received at the destination point. So receiver is a point where the incoming version of message signal from the channel that is generated receives here in the receiver point. The next thing is output transducer. Same as the input transducer, its work is just to reverse the signal back into the understandable form by the user, which can be understandable by the user. So after this output transducer, the output that will be the output that is going to be transmitted, not transmitted, but the output that is going to be given out by the output transducer will be our message signal that was first given through here the input source. So this is all about the communication system. Thank you.